What's up guys, Moritz here from Section Store. Today we're gonna be creating a branded dropshipping store in your very own Shopify store. So we're gonna have a look at the little bundle we have right here. We're gonna try to recreate it with our very own product, and I'd say we just jump right into it. First thing we wanna be doing is downloading the Section Store in the Shopify App Store. After you've successfully done that, you're gonna head on over to the admin area of your very own Shopify store, and then underneath apps you're gonna look for Section Store, head on over to the bundles tab, and that's where you want to be downloading the bonbon bundle. That's the one we got right here. Perfect, let's click on it. It's gonna be a one-time purchase of $29. We have a 36% discount right now, so that means if you bought it once, you're gonna own it forever and you're good to go to start creating your dropshipping store. After you've done that, we're gonna head back to the home area where we can find all the sections of the bonbon bundle. The first thing you want to be doing is adding them all to the Dawn Light theme. And after you've done that to every single one of them, you open up your theme editor. In our case, it's the Dawn Light theme. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. I already did some preparations here. The product we're going to be focusing on is a little chair, and we're just gonna create the first little section so you can see how it's all done, and then I'll explain you the customization options on the other ones. So let's type in banner. It's the bonbon banner, and let's slide it all the way to the top. There we go, perfect. What we're gonna be doing is selecting our product, which is gonna be this little chair right here. And you already seen in the other bundle that it was more purplish, but I think for this specific bundle, we're gonna stick with a little brownish tone to fit the whole product we're actually doing a bit better. So yeah, check out our lovely chair. This product will make you feel comfy. Perfect. I'm happy with the shop now. You can also add a little URL, for example, to the product itself already, or whatever you prefer, or to the collection if it's just one product. That's up to you at the end. So yeah, let's change the heading background color. We want to be sticking with a little brown here. Then the button background is also supposed to be a brown, and the button text color can stay white. So yeah, it's the whole magic to that. What we can also change is the font size of the whole heading. So we can either make it smaller or bigger, change the subheading as well. So you can see there are a bunch of customizations you can do to the whole thing. Also the padding to the picture, which will increase or either decrease the size of it and give it a little bit more space, and give the whole section a bit more padding on the top or also on the bottom. Or we remove a little bit of bottom so it's closer to the upcoming section. Section width is also customizable. So yeah, I think you got the concept behind it. So that's the banner. And the rest of the bundle also has a bunch of more sections, which I already did some preparations for. I'm just going to walk you through it real quick. But at the end, it's going to be the same concept as that one. You can simply drag it in and then select the product here first, or an image. Then here you can change the subheadline, get comfy and cozy. You can see it, it's updating here live. And it's the same for the other ones right here. And then here we can also do some customizations again, like changing the title color, the background color of the card itself. Then the typography is changeable again, like size-wise, and the URLs also changeable. So here we can link it directly to the collection if we click on the Shop Now button. Perfect. The customer review one is the next one. So here you can type in what customers think about the product. So we have those little blocks here where you can outstandingly stuff, write a little customer review. We're quite happy with that one. And here is the sub stuff and also the author of the whole thing. And that's that. Then you can do some customizations to the whole block itself again, where you can also change title color, text color, card background. I think you get the concept for it. And then the last one we're having is a little bestseller collection, or whatever you prefer to name it. So there you can select your products, or if it's just one, that is fine as well. Then we can switch to another product super easily here. But of course, we want to sell our little chair right here. Then we can change the headline, the color, not the color, the description, and also the link you're going to get if you click on the several products. So if you have a bunch of different variations of your product, you can throw them all in there and you're good to go. So the last thing we want to be adding is the SS bonbon. Where is it? The callout. That's the last section where we can tell customers to actually start looking for a product or whatever you have for them. Change the text color again to the brown so it all makes sense. We're going to change it to the white here. And then we're going to pick the background color of the whole section and change it to brown. So we have a good contrast right here. That is looking fine, but we also want the white right here, not the purple. And the text color should also be a different one. So yeah, there we have that. Sweet. Now we get a good contrast on both of them. Perfect. Let's save it up and check it out. There's also a URL. We can fit in that whole thing here and open it up in the live view. So we see that has changed. We're going to have a look at it again. 1 second, because I'm not happy with the background we got right here. But we can simply go into product and change the background to that little white we picked earlier. So let's save it up, give that a little reload, and we are good to go. Here we have our fully branded Shopify dropshipping store done in less than 5 minutes. If there are any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to us. And if you liked it and found this helpful, you can always leave a like or a little follow. It helps us a lot to create all these new sections and yeah, keeps us motivated as well. Thank you guys. Peace out and have a good one.